What's up, YouTube, and welcome to a quick episode of Chris Glides. Just wanted to show you guys the 2024 Police Road Glide build that I did, and I've been working on it for about 6 days now. And if you watch the first episode, you'll see how plain it was, and this is how it looks now. So just to start, I went on and I added the Clockworks windshield, and then I added the Custom Dynamics headlight right there. Grabbed the Advanblack wraparound fender, 21-inch chrome wheel, chrome lower forks, these fork sliders, Custom Dynamics side marker lights, got the aftermarket foot controls, Harley-Davidson Screaming Eagle heavy air breather. Just got the Screaming Eagle Bluetooth tuner. Added some chrome accents here, there, and over the brake cover. And went with the long side bags, dark colored reflector, speaker lids, lower leg fairings, highway pegs, speakers. I went with the gloss vivid black inner fairing. Added speakers, added the stereo by Power Acoustic. Went with the Arlen Ness risers with the Thrashin handlebars. Empire Collection mirrors. And I haven't even rode this T-bar setup. The bike only has 40 miles on it. Already mentioned long bags. I went with the Chop Tour Pack because sometimes the King is just too big. And I plan on riding with it off more than on. And on the rear, I added the Custom Dynamics tail light. Have the Tab 50 cal exhaust. Changed out the seat. And added more chrome accents on this side. Here, there. The Harley-Davidson Shifter Linkage. And went with the Harley-Davidson badging. And Advanblack center console. And the rear wheel does match the front wheel, even though you really can't see it unless you get way under there. But so far, that's what I have, and hope you enjoyed the video, and see you guys next time. I'll be adding more stuff. So the parts that I have over there, still more stuff to add. So I have chrome brake calipers, and I have the chrome master cylinder, which comes with this other piece in chrome. And what else do I have? I have a shorter windshield for days when I want to ride with the shorter windshield. And I have some rockfordfosgate speakers to go on the back. Right now, I'm not sure what kind of speakers are in there, but the speaker lids did come with speakers. So this is the bike so far, 6 days, well, 7 days in. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this episode of Chris Glides. Thanks for standing by and watching this quick episode, and stay tuned because I got more in store for this bike build. So take care.